What if I told you your plants aren't struggling? They're simply missing something. And the solution might already be sitting in your fridge. If you've ever brought home a beautiful flowering plant, only to watch it droop, stall, and stop blooming, you're not alone. But don't give up just yet. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, all-natural fertilizer made from something you already have. Milk. Yes, milk. It's cheap, organic, and surprisingly powerful. And once you try it, your garden might just thank you in flowers. But first, if you love practical garden hacks that actually work, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tip. Now, let's talk about this miracle mix. Milk isn't just for your breakfast bowl. It's loaded with key plant-loving nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These are exactly what your plants need to boost blooms, strengthen roots, and stay lush and healthy. Here's how to make it. Mix 10 milliliters of milk with 500 milliliters of water. Stir it well. Water your plants with this solution once every 30 days. That's it. A simple monthly dose can refresh depleted soil, feed your plant roots, and kickstart flower production again. And here's a bonus tip. Pour the same mixture into a spray bottle and use it as a foliar mist. Spraying it directly onto the leaves helps feed your plants through their foliage. And it also acts as a natural antifungal spray to prevent issues like powdery mildew. So many gardeners miss out on this, but once you see how fast your plants respond, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. I've seen the difference myself. More flowers, stronger growth, and far fewer problems. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If this tip helped, hit that like button and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Take care, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one. Herb Waving Hand.